Does GoDaddy build apps? GoDaddy does not specialize in custom app development, but it offers tools and services to help you create and manage mobile applications. Here's an overview of the available options. 1. Mobile app development tools. WordPress integration. GoDaddy offers guidance on converting your WordPress website into a mobile app using plugins like Appful. This approach helps you leverage your website's content to create an app efficiently. Progressive web apps, PWAs. GoDaddy provides resources for building progressive web apps, which are app-like experiences accessible via web browsers. PWAs don't require separate app downloads and are a cost-effective way to engage mobile users. 2. Developer resources API access. GoDaddy offers APIs for developers to integrate its services like domain management and DNS records into their applications. This allows you to build custom apps that interact with GoDaddy's platform. Documentation and support. GoDaddy provides comprehensive documentation and support for developers to utilize their APIs effectively. Third conclusion. While GoDaddy does not offer custom app development, it provides several tools and resources to help you create and manage applications, especially if you're already using their hosting and domain services.